Hi there, so this is a real restoration job on a canopy shower come roll top bath. The main problem that we're looking at here is that down in this section we've got some real bad rusting and problems, and that goes kind of right around this section of the bath here. As you can see, it's a huge big canopy. I'll give you some close-ups. Okay, so this is a roll-top bath with a fitted antique shower canopy. These rods going up provide a water spray to the body. This predates the overheads. There's a few issues with this bath that are immediately needing addressed. The metal itself is falling apart at the bottom, right round this edge here. The reason for that is that right behind there is a pipe, which you can see that bulge, which feeds water to these uprights. And that pipe, which is integral to the canopy, is actually breaking down. It's an old metal. The way these work is that you can see there's tiny little pinholes in these uprights, and they squirt water onto one's body. But the trouble is that as the unit gets old, particles get into the plumbing and they block these up, so then they don't work. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to make this all look aesthetically pleasing, but it's going to lose some of its functionality because the metal itself has basically done its time. We're going to sort out this area around the waist as well, where it's starting to rust and decompose a bit. Okay, so we've sorted out this leaking down here. It took a lot of epoxy to sort that out, but we've managed it, and the prep on the other area has now been sorted out. Some of these were leaking as well. I had to epoxy them up. So this whole damaged area is starting to come right. Okay, so this is us at the end of this job, repairing this canopy bath. It was a lot of work. You'll remember there was quite a lot of damage down here under this unit here. In fact, it was blistered and broken all around there. So each bit had to be repaired, had to build the colour for this canopy, and then fare it off and spray it in. You can see that there's been a dramatic improvement in the appearance of it. The main problem was at one point here was that the water was actually dripping through the canopy itself. When I started to clean it out, it turned out there was water inside the canopy, so it took ages for it to dry out. And that indeed was why it was all rotting, because there's a pipe running around the back. This is the waist here that's been sorted out. It's all rusty around there, but that's been cleaned up. And as I stand back, you can see that it's quite presentable now as a kind of an antique shower bath unit in a hotel. Okay, so that's another good job done. A big job, took all day. I'm a broken man now. Anyway, it's Friday, so looking forward to a bit of time off at the weekend. So this is Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, Bath Resurfacing and Hard Surface Repairs, signing off for the week on a good job done.